little birds at our bird feeder today. That was a little nuthatcher with a brown cap, black cap chickadee. And we have like a whole bunch of squirrels down here. And a dove. They're all eating out here. Another little black cat chickadee. Hey BBB, good morning. Another black cat. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 squirrels out here this morning eating their breakfast. Oh goodness, and having some play. The doves are a little harder to see. There's little Bob too. He's out here again today. Thank you. God bless.